Doing good. I hope you're doing good. Because I'm doing great. So I wish the best for everyone. You know what I mean. All right. So, um, to start off, I'm doing some more testing with the exporting of these, the scene from my Gaia project to, um, prefabs. And then I need a folder in there called all right. So now we're going to take this guy, put it here. So I use the Gaia export or the terrain converter, and I converted it to a mesh. It deactivates OL1. It uses terrain collider, copy Gaia objects. So it turned everything into this for me. And now I can take and export this guy. Now I'm not going to include dependencies because I should have them we'll export it here. So this will be T forest. Alrighty. So now I can go to the main game project. Well, I gotta reopen the main game project, it looks like. That happens sometimes. I don't know if that happens to anyone else, but Unity will just go all white when you're trying to open up the project the first time. So I usually just close it, reopen it. It usually doesn't happen until you have a bigger project. So yeah, that's my problem. The big iron on his hip. Oops. All right, Fmod. I need some music, man. Let me text my music guy. See if he wants to do some music work tonight. All right, stay focused. Don't go squirreling. So the one thing that didn't come through, which is weird, I'm going to check that out. So here's the terrain, right? The grass details don't come. Huh. That sucks. Terrain collider, convert to mesh. So what was it? Where's my export? Profiles, scenes. Oh, damn it. Where did it go? Here it is. So hopefully this guy's open. Just as a test, we're gonna so I've exported it. Where is it? Yeah, that's just the terrain. It doesn't have the trees or anything. So, and again, my terrain's just flat, so that's about as useful as nothing to me. I was hoping it would bake out the grass some way, but I'm gonna have to fix the grass. Frickin' fruck. Wonder if I can. So it's cool that it exports it as a mesh with all the game objects. So I get that, and then I just gotta handle grass gen again. Would love to just I may just bring the terrain data over without the Gaia stuff, but we'll see. Let's test this real quick. So I'm going to packages. Let's do this. Import. I really hate that pop-up. Fucking A. Why are things like pink? What's your problem? Why is it going pink? No. So if I select one of them, color bottom. Why has it got a red? Is it that way in here? I don't believe it. Huh. So it should have a different shader altogether. What did this do? Create materials. Hold on, I'm gonna click this. Fantasy. There we go. No more of that. Now we got some of the flicker. Saw it. Show yourselves. I think I may increase the law distance on these prefabs, like so. All the prefabs are broken, aren't they? So like this big guy. If I can multi-select, that'd be nice, but we'll see. Nope. Oh, wait. Yeah, I can do the transition. So... You're not going to be flying through the terrain like this anyways, so like that pop-in is not something I have to worry about because the player won't ever have the ability to fly like this. And I'm flying way faster than normal, so it did export, you know. So what do I want to set this to? So this one, let's take it way back. Way back. So transition is guess that. Gosh darn it. Okay. Now it should be worse. Nice. Can I restore the link to a prefab? That would be amazing right now. But I don't think that's going to be true or able to be done the way I need it. Regardless, I'm going to leave it alone for now. So again, the missing a script. Wonder what that script is. High game object spawns and hierarchy. I don't know if I even want that. Could be handy, but again, I see them here, so is it working? Oh, hide all. Oh, gotcha. Huh, it's kind of cool. I don't know if I need it though. So I'm gonna just remove it. All right. So where's my ground tile? Or it made things worse. The mesh didn't come with it? So now I'm gonna bring this over. Is it gonna want it in that same exact spot? Probably is, but I'm not gonna put it there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it with the terrain. I think it's the right texture. I guess it is, it's just dark. Can we gamma that bitch up? No. Or PNG gamma. Didn't do anything. It's just dark. know if I want that either. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Hey, I didn't see you there, guy. How's it going? Zoned out. Oh. Trying to export my beautiful terrain here, but it is, well, this is the beautiful terrain. Ran into issues with it, but nice. I've got to do more I got to do more shorts out of my videos. I got to do more YouTube clips that aren't just, 6-hour dumps of my Twitch stream. I have been promoting myself in the indie dev community a lot more, or getting to know a lot more of them. I'm going and like talking about their products, wish listing it, sharing mine where available and stuff. Trying to turn on my promoter hat. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, I 100% agree with you. Like, dude, I love the way he's doing the updates for Stardew right now. He's releasing them like one at a time, the update logs or whatever, I think. He's like trickle feeding the details of the next change, like, out slowly. It's brilliant. He's really building up some hype. I just don't understand the darkness. Is it? So if I go to my stuff. How can there just be like, it's the lighting does not affect. Oh, wait, I bet you I know. These guys are, no? What the fuck? The Caves of Kud guy, the developer for that, I'm always interacting with his stuff. He's real active on Twitter. Trying to just get like, oh, I know that Moshu. I've seen him before somewhere. I'm just trying to sprinkle, like, interact with them enough, like they start to remember me. Maybe it'll play out and work. I don't understand what's wrong with my lighting. Why aren't you affected by lighting? You are a lit shader. I'm going to game object light, point light. Bring your butt over here. Oh, wait, I'm dumb. It's a little brighter. Okay, everything is being affected by the lighting. My ground texture is just bonked. These guys are just too bright no matter where you put them. Foliage, wind, trunk, wind sway, direct, lighting offset equals 1. Whatever. Give me apocalyptic cartoon buildings, please. I really like the style of this one. Actually, I 100% love the style of this one. Because it's basically just a flat shade on most things. And then you kind of scuff it up. I need to save this as a reference. See if I can achieve that style. I really like it. Just saving this in my Discord so I can get back to it. I'm kind of in love with the texturing like this, and something I totally could do myself. Yeah, pretty excited by the idea of it. So let me see here. All right, so we want to do level design. I'm going to just start putting together some fucking buildings and shit. So I'm gonna find some inspiration for a small scene. So I already like my my little bar scene or whatever, but it needs more done to it. So what I'm thinking here is, for the trailer, I want to be able to show 4 different locations at a minimum. So like 4 different locales. And I want them, each locale, to have kind of a high impact, you know, visual appeal for the Steam page. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pay the $100 or whatever and start getting stuff ready. But I got to get, I want to set a goal of, in the next week to 2 weeks, I've got enough to at least put the Steam page out there and I can start collecting wish lists. Like, so let's put in that work. I'm going to watch some trailers. No, let me think. Let's see if we can find some inspiration for a scene. And like, how deep do I want to start in the apocalypse? Like, is it just after the calamity, or is it, you know, everything's overgrown? If it's like just the day after the calamity, I have way less work to do. Because everything can look kind of new still, but be bloodied and broken. But if everything needs to be overgrown and stuff, that's going to be, oh, I kind of like that. But again, water, it's just a lot of water there. Come on, give me some inspiration. So it's, yeah, like that. Basically, the main bad guy, the ancient vampire, he kind of appears in the world. His castle appears sort of like Castlevania's Dracula does it. And he uses all the werewolves and zombies and his minions to destroy the world and bring it to the end. So the cause of the calamity is the main bad guy, the vampire. And you're in a bunker, and I keep saying you're kind of being forced out of your bunker because you got food and water issues and power and everything's breaking down. So it would be later on, if I keep that kind of thought, it would be later on, and like things would be more destroyed and overgrown. Water chip. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's more of a prepper bunker. Like you were a prepper. Um, and yeah. Wasteland 3 is a pretty good game to kind of reference because it's got that top down, it's got, you know, guns and all that stuff. Where the difference is, again, you don't have a bunch of units you're controlling, so everything's going to be a lot more fluid when it comes to being turn-based. Load. I just gotta start putting some stuff down. This is the most challenging part to me. This is Dr. Respect. Oh man, level design is the most challenging shit to me. I never was a good builder in survival games and stuff, and like I don't know, like me decorating a level, I'd rather just be grinding out code. I really wish I had a level designer. It's just anyone that's like super badass at building stuff in like survival games or anything would be a great level designer. Like anyone's got that like spark, that creativity. But unfortunately for me, when I have to build stuff in a survival games, like square, it's like the bare minimum. It's like the most engineer thing, like point A to B, straight line. Um, uh, I am artistic. I can do this. I can do this. Yeah, that's true. I don't know. Sometimes I kind of get into it, but I enjoy grabbing all the stuff and getting whoever is doing the building, keeping them going. Like I was always happy with that, like bringing them shitloads of logs while they build the building, or whatever. This is pretty cool. I like this photo. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm gonna do snowy environments yet. Well, I do kind of want to show off the seasons. So I mean, one map I believe I'll have set up for day and night, and seasons. One of the demo maps, or and that way I can show like a quick little clip of the seasons changing and the environments reacting to the seasons. Um, that would be a good one. God, I want to level. I wish I had a level designer so bad. I can do this. I can do this. Much better at coding. You got to right click and split. Let's see what we got. Cast shadows off, blend probes. Come on. I don't want a skybox that has that shit in the background though. The only thing would keep my skybox, but just make it not affected. The lighting is from color. There we go. This will keep me so I can see shit while I'm doing level design. So I'm trying to drag out props that'll help me apocalyptify things. I need more. I got one of those out. Oh, that's cool as shit. I got probably enough to get what I need done here. Vine 3, Vine 4. Yeah. This stuff will be perfect. So I can work with the materials, change materials, all that, and create some nice stuff out of this. Okay. Okay, using all this. Yeah, I'm gonna apocalyptify some things. All right, one sec. I gotta make a phone call real quick, so I'm gonna turn my mic off, but I'll be working while I'm on the call. It may take a few minutes because it's maybe on wait, so hold on. I'll be right back, but I'm gonna continue working.